What's up, guys? Alright, so you had a bit of a weird day yesterday. I went out to Riverhead Skatepark in Long Island. It's about an hour from where I live, and went out there to skate something new and try to learn a new trick. But I got there at like 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and I saw this guy Joe. Just met him there. He's skating. He's 42 years old, and he was killing it. I don't know, it just got me so psyched, like seeing him out there. It's fun just having a session with him. Didn't really even think about learning a trick until he left, and I started kicking around some fakey big spin inward heel flips. Now, in the last video I learned big spin heel flip variation, and I don't know, kind of wanted to learn a fakey one. First couple of tries I was getting pretty close, but yeah, after that it just kind of disappeared and was nowhere to be found. Just kind of blind hucks. So yeah, wasn't really getting close. Decided I was gonna learn a new trick another day, and like halfway home I realized it's gonna be pouring rain the next day and the day after that. So yeah, at this point it's like 1:30 in the afternoon and I had work at 3. So I just drove straight to the skate park by my house. Ended up, like, I started trying fakey big spinning with heels again. Nowhere close. After that, nollie varial flip nose stall popped in my head. Started kicking those around. Kind of getting close, but not really. That led to trying like nollie 3 flip to pivot to fakey. And after a few tries of that, I realized a few months ago I was trying fakey 3 flip to switch blunt. And yeah, I was like, wait, I could do fakey 3 flip, switch pivot. So anyway, started kicking those around. Starting to like kind of lock into it, and then yeah, just kind of pulled one out of nowhere. And realized I was kind of filming it from the wrong side. I like to film like my front side when I'm filming the trick. So yeah, tried to do it again. Ended up getting it within, I don't know, 5 tries, 10 tries, something like that. Yeah, it just felt so good. I mean, it didn't feel that great going into work and being like completely dead skating for like 6 hours, but felt great getting a trick. It's just funny with this challenge and any challenge really. It's like the amount of time that you leave for something to get done, it'll end up taking that long, but just setting some sort of a restriction for yourself. Now, in this case, I learned a new trick every week. It really just made me have to go out and skate and kind of keep pushing myself. So, yeah, funny thing to think about. Anyway, that's it for this week. See you guys next week.